Hello and welcome to another video. Today I will be doing a full comparison between the LG XBoom Go PK5 and the LG XBoom Go PK7 portable speakers. I have been using both of them now for a while. So for those of you out there who want to purchase any of these speakers and you are curious to know how they stack up against each other in terms of features and sound quality, this video is for you. So make sure you stick around. So without wasting time, let's begin. First of all, let's go quickly through their specifications, similarities and differences. So on the PK5, there are two main drivers and two passive radiators, and it dishes out a maximum output power of 20 watts. While on the PK7, you've got two tweeters, two main drivers and two passive radiators, and it dishes out a maximum output power of 40 watts when plugged in, but on battery, it dishes out 30 watts maximum output power. So you have to bear that in mind. Both of them definitely have Bluetooth connectivity. I am not sure if it's Bluetooth 4.0 or Bluetooth 4.2. The PK5 charges via USB-C, while the PK7 charges via an adapter. Both of these speakers are IPX5 water resistant, so they'll survive splashes of water, but not full submersion, so you have to bear that in mind. Coming to battery life, you get about 18 hours on the PK5. While on the PK7 you are going to get up to 22 hours. Those numbers will definitely vary depending on the music and the volume. The PK5 weighs approximately 1.2 kilograms while the PK7 weighs approximately 3 kilograms. As you can see, it's written here with Meridian Technology. Meridian is an audio technology solutions company. LG teamed up with Meridian to tune up these speakers so that when they are playing even at max volumes, they are going to have a balanced sound, which we are going to find out in a minute. Coming to the sound tuning by Meridian, there are 4 EQ modes. First of all, there is the standard mode, which is the default mode, and then you have the enhanced bass mode, and then there is a clear vocal mode as well, and lastly you have the enhanced bass plus clear vocals mode. One thing to bear in mind is that you can pair up 2 PK5s or 2 PK7s or one PK5 and one PK7 in stereo mode. All you have to do is just press the plus button behind both of these speakers for 2 seconds. Once you do that, they are paired up and they'll play in stereo mode for a more fuller sound. You can also access voice assistant on both of these speakers, whether you are using iOS or Android. Well, as you can see, both of these speakers have the multicolor lighting feature. So the lights are going to pulse according to the beat of the music. You can toggle between different modes or simply turn them off if you don't want them on. Both of these speakers come with Qualcomm aptX HD, so when you are streaming music you are going to get high quality audio. Both of them have a 3.5mm port for wired listening. One thing to bear in mind is that you cannot charge devices externally on any of these speakers. Yes, you heard me right. They don't have any USB port for charging devices externally. So if that is your priority, you are not going to get that on any of these speakers. Now it's time for the sound test. This is going to be a binaural recording, so please be sure to put on headphones so that you have that realistic sound impression, and be sure to watch till the end so that you'll be able to tell the differences in sound quality between both of these speakers. So let's compare them quickly and see how they sound.
Take my hand and we'll go away to a different place there, and we'll hide away. I'll be your escape. Look up and feel the shifting winds tossing us around again. Hold tight, you're ready, and just levitate.
The first thing I noticed about both of these speakers is that from 40% and below, they sound a little bit too quiet for my liking. That's what I noticed. So to really enjoy these speakers, you have to crank up the volume to about 60% thereabout. The sound quality on both of them are decent. At max volumes, the PK7 is not as loud as I expected it to be, but it quite retains a good amount of bass at max volume. No distortion. The Meridian DSP keeps the sound pretty balanced. The bass on the PK7 can sometimes rattle the table when playing very bass heavy songs, as you may have heard from the sound test. I just wish there was a little bit sparkle in the treble and the mids, while the PK5 is surprisingly almost as loud as the PK7 at max volume. Another thing I noticed is that at max volumes, the PK5 seems to distort slightly when playing some treble heavy songs, while the PK7 is much more controlled. And what I really like about their sound is that they retain a good amount of bass, yes, at max volumes. Unlike most portable speakers, when you crank up the volume to like 70-80%, they lose a lot of bass. But on these, both of them, you are going to get good amount of bass even at max volumes. But they are not the loudest portable speakers I've ever heard, yes. So I definitely recommend the PK7 over the PK5 because the price difference is not that much and you are getting much better sound quality on the PK7. But if portability is your top priority, you definitely have to go with the PK5. As you can see, it's much more portable and much more easier to fit in a bag than the PK7. You cannot detach the handles both on the PK7 and on the PK5. Yes, you can't. I just really wish you could do that. That would have been really good and it would have made them much more portable, as you would have the option to carry them with the handle or without the handle. But if sound quality is your priority and you want that thumping bass at max volumes, then the PK7 is a better option. So I hope I was able to give you an idea of how these speakers stack up against each other. I'll be throwing links down in the description section for you all if you want to purchase any of these speakers. Thanks so much for watching. As always, feel free to check out other nifty gadgets on this channel. I am Ezekielo and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Adios.